In this video tutorial, we're going to take a look at the e107 statistics. So the first thing you'll need to do is log into your website, and once you do that, you should actually see the site stats link. If not, you can actually manually just type it up the top by going www.yourdomainname.co.nz/plugins/log/stats.php. The first page you'll come to is today's stats. Since nobody uses this website, I'm pretty much the first person here. But if you want to have a look at that, we can see that it's news. So that means that it's the news page, which is normally the front page for a website done by us. So there's the front page. If you click on it, it shows you. But it also might be called content, which actually refers to the advanced content management plugin in e107. But if you click it, you'll actually see which page it's on. Then it just does all-time stats, and it shows us stats, news. We just looked at news actually. It shows that I've been looking at the stats page the most on this website. Then it's got unique visits too. So if we just have a quick look at this, we can see that for the stats page, it's been visited 11 times, but we can see that it's only been visited by 3 unique users. So they're looking at the stats plugin sort of at least 3 to 4 times each visit. Then we can have a look at daily stats, and this is again just visits, or you've got your unique visits. Is it down here? Oh, here we go. No, it's visits in days. So visits in the last 7 days, unique visits in the last 7 days. Unique means single person or a company, when you're coming from a company's internet connection. And then again, it's just going into monthly stats, all the same principle here. Visits per month, 34. Actual real people, 10. Then there's some other statistics. So this website here, probably because it's being viewed by us, because it's just one that we do development on for testing, it's mostly visited by Firefox instead of Internet Explorer. But on our bigger websites, it's actually the other way around. Internet Explorer version 6, normally about 60 to 70% of users use that. And then it goes down to Firefox, and then you'll get sort of a mixture of other ones. Operating systems, of course, most of the time it's going to be Windows XP, but you also get a small percentage of Mac users and Linux users as well. Domain stats, this means which country does it come from. A .com actually means commercial, or a .net or a .org, so obviously they've come into this website, and there's been one from New Zealand, which is probably us. Screen resolution, you don't have to worry too much about this, because most of the time we design our websites to at least 1024 by 768 pixels, a screen size that large, and that's because most people are using that. But as you can see, since we look at it, our screen resolutions are higher. Referral stats, this is some good stuff. So this actually shows us that we've had a click from somebody else's website, ircnz.co.nz, to this website. Now once your website's been up for a few months, hopefully you'll start seeing links come from Google, and also from other websites like Manawatu Directory and so forth, because the more links that come into your website, the more attractive you should become to search engines. Then search string stats, this is pretty good. Oh, there's none in here at the moment. That's a real shame, because what that would show you is it would actually show you the words that people typed into search engines to find you. So if I just quickly open up another browser, I'll go and show you another one. If I go to our website, I can show you some of the search engine stats. See, so we can see that this is what people are typing into search engines to find us: design, spinning planet, internet, Greenpeace. That's a strange one, but most of the time it's design. If we go back to over here, We can also see the recent visitors. Of course, it'll just be me because I was the only one in here today. And today's page errors, that's a new one. But there, of course, there haven't been any errors. And all-time page errors, there are none for this website. So that's how you view the stats on your website.